If you hate Jesus, then keep scrolling. But if you love Jesus, then stick around and watch until the end. God is saying to you today, just trust. Trust who you are, trust where you are, and trust where you are going. Trust that God is placing and removing people in your life in order to bring you where He wants you to be today. Just trust. Trust in your strengths. Trust in your abilities, and trust that every obstacle is an opportunity to learn, an opportunity to grow, and an opportunity to become the best version of you today. Just trust. Trust Him, trust His plan, trust His will, trust His way, and trust that whatever He has already written is far better than anything you could have ever wrote. Like this video, if you have a belief in God, says it's okay to be nervous at times. I love you, and remember that I am always here to help you. I am always guide to you. God, the universe, always replaces what exits your life with something bigger and better. Don't be stuck holding out to the past or resisting change. Welcome new energy. Let go of what needs to be removed. There's great blessings and surrendering. And allowing type 1111. If you trust God, you are moving to the next level. God does not want you to run when people throw stones at you. God says, people will always fail you, but I never will. Put your life in my hands and I will take care of you. I love you. God chose you. Do not let people run you off. Stand up for God. Make God proud. Your goals are soon to manifest. Powerful connections and relationships are forming. Everything is working out. The positive thinking, affirmations, visualizations, and actions is about to pay off. You are on the verge of receiving the blessings. Type 222. If you believe you had to lose it all so God could show you who you are. He did not want you to put your trust in material things and money. You found yourself. You are a better person. Your relationship with God is stronger. You woke up the lion in you. You are a soldier. God is about to restore everything you lost. You didn't do anything wrong. God had to take things away from you so you could heal and grow. You are ready now. The King is about to show up for you. You like someone and you thought the feeling was mutual. Then there was a distance that separated you. They want you as badly as you want them. Use this sound and they'll text you tonight. Claim type 333 to claim it. You'll wait, you'll pray, you'll get frustrated. You'll question everything, but you'll continue to be patient. You'll keep waiting, and you'll keep praying, and one day, when you least expect it, it'll finally happen. So don't ever stop believing, don't ever stop trusting, and don't ever stop hoping. God is so ready to give you everything you've ever dreamed of, but you have to understand it's on His timing, not yours. The angels say it's over. A blessing is coming your way if you believe. An angel sent this message on. Please don't ignore it. You are being tested. The angels will fix two things in your favor. If you believe in angels, then follow your heart, claim and share. Type yes to receive it. This is the final message. It doesn't matter if you skipped all the other sounds. But if you skip this one, it's all over. You will live the best life possible, have a lot of money, fun, and a long relationship with your crush. Ignore this, and it's over. If you read this, your best days will start from this point onward. You will heal. True love will find you, and money will bless you and your family. Are you ready for this gift? Type 555 if you agree. God says you don't need to worry about the next step in your life. All you need to do is put your trust in me and work hard. I will place the right people along your path. I have watched over you and will always watch over you. If you are seeing this, it means you are about to be blessed with a second chance at life. A second chance to live the life of your dreams. Don't miss out on the opportunity. Seize it. Type 888. If you agree, activate the flow of unlimited wealth, happiness, pleasure, freedom, and confidence into your life by making one tiny change to your morning routine. Would you want? I'm going to take you from obscurity to notoriety. You've worked hard, you've been faithful, you've honored me. Now, get ready, the curtain is about to come up. I am about to show people who you really are. You are coming into a new level of prominence, a new level of influence, and a new level of income. I'm going to endorse you. People are going to see the greatness I put in you. You have dedicated a lot of time, effort, and energy to improving yourself as well as understanding yourself and the world. You are having spiritual experiences at this time and gaining a greater awareness of what you need to do in order to grow. The universe is directing you to your destined path. There is a great chance that if you've been having any challenges recently, you've overcome them and allowed them to be vehicles to lessons that are helping your growth. Type yes. You are safe and secure and will always be guided by your light team if you pay close attention to their signs and trust your intuition. Drop your shields, dear ones. It is heavy and wearing you down. You can now redirect your energy away from fear and bask in the joys of life. Clear of worries, be grateful for any obstacles that are appearing in your life. They are indicative of change. You will adapt as you move further away from your comfort zone, because in a line you will overcome anything. Don't cower, don't duck, don't get frustrated. Celebrate your empowerment to conquer it. Sure beats a stagnant and repetitive life cycle. Type yes if you are ready to claim. One thing I realize is that everything always ends up working out, sometimes even better than you can imagine. Remember this when you feel like you're in a hard place, where you feel like you're being challenged the most. Believed in where you're headed. See the bigger picture. If you ever get the chance, go alone just for a while. If you ever get the chance, learn who you are. When the world isn't demanding you be one way or another, most people only know how to stand on their own if someone else will stand beside them. Don't let that be your story. When you get the chance, know that the opportunity to walk alone, even for a bit, is a rare gift. One that will hand you insight that can change the course of your life. Jesus is Lord. May you never forget that when it was hard, and you were overwhelmed and felt afraid, and walked alone and felt invisible, and didn't have the answers, and couldn't see the way, and wanted to give up, you kept going, typing. Then if you believe in this, subscribe our channel. If you believe in God, change is coming. I will open doors no man can shut. This is a season where I am bringing you to your destiny. I understand what you are going through, and I promise to be with you in every trial of life. Remember, your destiny is not determined by the economy or how you were raised for your education. Your destiny is determined by me, your Heavenly Father. Type 1212 to claim it. Take care of yourself. Type yes if you're ready, and share this video with 5 people who trust God. Comment Jesus is Lord to support our channel. Please subscribe our channel and turn on bell notification. There is not enough room in your mind for both worry and faith. Thank you for being a part of our journey. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Together, we'll continue to explore, learn, and grow.